Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 96 Cobra, low mileage, Mystic Chrome. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it on the lift so you can see how clean the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that 32 valve motor. We're gonna look at the interior. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Cobra investment. So come on up, we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. This Mystic Chrome paint, flip-flopping from green to purple to blue, looking sweet. Headlights are looking great. Car definitely well kept throughout the years. No door dings, no dents. Wheels look like they're brand new. Just an amazing looking car. I mean, it looks like it's fast sitting still right here in the showroom. Look at the interior there. Beautiful seats. All gorgeous in there, all stock, just like it came from the factory. Of course, seat belts front and rear. Center console, nice and clean, looking good. Dash itself, clean, looking good. Carpeting in good shape. Door panels, beautiful. Just a gorgeous car. Love the wing on the back on these cars. All the paint on the back bumpers looking good. Inside the trunk, it doesn't look like there was ever anything in it. Looks like we got a battery cover or something there, and I don't know what's in this box. Oh, an air filter. And we even got all the original paper tags in here. Man, for those that still be on there, you know this car was well kept throughout the years. Look down the side of it, how nice and straight it is. Beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever, so that means we own this car, so you can bet we spent the time to check it out before we bought it. When we get it back here to the showroom, we inspect it so we can answer all your questions. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now we bring in between 40 and 50 new units every month, and I'm in charge of picking every one of them out, so I'm gonna help you pick out your dream car. All right, let's go for riding a Cobra. Only 11,000 original miles on this baby. Mystic Chrome, rare color, rare car, fast car, cool car. And we can park this dream in your drive no matter where you live in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. We can help with financing too, and Tom will take care of all the paperwork. All you need to do is give him a call and he will take care of everything for you. We'll get this dream parked in your driveway. You want to talk about fun to drive? It's a cool color. I mean, the car is amazing and low mileage too. Just a beautiful ride right here. Now we're real close to the airport here in Detroit. So if you want to fly out and check it out in person, we'd love to have you and check out the rest of our inventory. We sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen, so we don't get to see a lot of our customers. As you can see down here on the dash, everything on the dash is working. You can see 11,259 miles on this beauty. It's got the stock radio, the stock everything. I mean, car was super well kept. Now I've actually already been under this car. We're gonna show you the bottom side of it here in a minute. I mean, the bottom side of this car, you can tell, I don't think they ever took it out in the rain ever. I mean, it is beautiful. Get out in front of this truck. But we got Cobra power. We can do anything we want. 5-speed feeling good. Brakes feel great. Just a comfortable car to drive. Gives you that real Mustang feel. Like I was saying earlier, we're real close to the airport. We'd love to have you come check out the car in person. If you want to send an inspector, that's fine too. We will treat the inspector just like we would treat you. Take the car out for a drive, get it up on the lift, whatever you want to see. Now here's our building right here. We're at 15100 Keel Street. Now we've got 80,000 square feet of indoor storage. So we may have to move a few cars around. So if you're gonna come in, give Tom a call, let him know you're coming so we can be ready for you. Now we're gonna get the car up on the lift so you can see the bottom. All right, we're underneath this 96 Mystic Chrome car, and it is pretty under here. You can tell, very well kept throughout the years. Look how clean everything is. Look at that, still got grease pencil or chalk marks on everything. The exhaust is looking good, disc brakes out back. It's got right around a 323 gear in the rear end, and it is an open rear end. Exhaust looks all original here. You can see the floorboards look original from the factory, nice and clean. The car definitely lived indoors its entire life. Somebody took very, very good care of this thing. Now it's got the 5-speed manual transmission in it. It's got the cable clutch. I mean, everything is stock on this thing, just like it was when it came from Ford. Disc brakes up front. K-member looks good up here. Everything's super clean on this car. I mean, look, all the nooks and all the crannies, everything's super clean. Still got paper tags all over everything, all the markings. You can read every letter, every number on this car. I mean, it was very well kept throughout the years. Now, let's look at these wheels and tires. All right, up front here, look at those wheels. I don't see a mark on them anywhere. We got two 45 17s up here. You can see the ground effects are looking good, nice and clean. No marks, no dents, no scratches. Out back, again, wheels look great. Two 45 17s. Wheel houses are nice and clean. Just a beautiful car. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got the dual overhead cam, 4.6, making all that horsepower. It's got hydro boost, power steering. Of course, everything under here is stock, looking brand new. Like I said, very, very well kept throughout the years. Even look at the bottom side of the hood. Look how clean all that is. You can see the motor's nice and clean. She's an amazing vehicle, guys. It's got a really cool paint job on it. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.